Hi, I'm Jill, the content manager at LovelySkin, and I'm here today to unbox the newest launches from SkinMedica, the Pore Purifying Gel Cleanser and the Acne Clarifying Treatment. This collection is an exciting one because it targets adult hormonal acne without the dryness and irritation that often can come with traditional acne treatments. Together, they remove acne-causing bacteria, reduce excess sebum, which you may also know as oil, while also taking care of acne lesions, redness, and post-acne marks. First, I'm going to unbox the cleanser. It has a nice gel consistency and it smells really refreshing. It contains salicylic acid to purify pores and bakuchiol, a natural alternative for retinol for redness and discoloration. Next is the Acne Clarifying Treatment. This one is the heavy hitter in the collection with the clinical results to back it up. It has 2% encapsulated salicylic acid, which releases into skin over time to treat breakouts without drying skin. It's got 2% niacinamide, an ingredient we love and know here at LovelySkin, to reduce acne-related redness and inflammation in just 24 hours. It also helps to fade the post-acne marks, which are those red and brown marks on the skin that you often see after a breakout, in just 48 hours. It has a sebum balance complex, which includes bakuchiol and 4 unique oils to reduce oil in just 24 hours. It also supports a healthy, strong barrier, which is an important piece of the puzzle in breaking the acne cycle. And the blend gives the treatment a nice herbal scent. What's nice about this treatment too is you can apply it to your entire face for a preventative treatment, or you can use it as a spot treatment and just apply it to any affected areas. Thanks for tuning in to this LovelySkin unboxing. For more product launches, tutorials, and other expert skincare tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.